In this video, we will learn how to create table of contents automatically. One method is to type the content manually. As you can see, I am typing the contents manually. But if there are many sheets, in that case, it will take a lot of time and much efforts. To create a contents automatically, we need to categorize the main header as heading 1. If it has subheader, we will mark it as heading 2, and similarly it goes on. Here I want to make purpose as main header. So select the text and click on heading 1. After then, give it numbering and align it properly. Once you have aligned it properly, select that text and then click a Format Painter icon, and then click on those texts which you want to keep as main header. Now, here I want to make materials as subheader. For it, we will select that text and then click on heading 2. Give it a sub-numbering. Align it properly. Once you have aligned it properly, select that text and then click a Format Painter icon, and then click on those texts which you want to keep as subheader. Once you have aligned it properly and completed marking the headers as main header or subheader by clicking on heading 1. Heading 2, go to that page where you want to make table of contents. Go to Reference tab. Over there you will find Table of Contents icon. Click on it. Then click on Automatic Table 1. You will get the entire contents. Make necessary changes if required. For more such videos, subscribe to the channel, like and share the video.